Today, the product I'll be reviewing is a brand new earphone from Donerton store. I love these earphones. First of all, look at the design of the case. Beautiful. It's also a charging case. It is Bluetooth 5.4. So basically the transmission speed is ridiculous. Also, it takes less pressure on the battery life. Playtime is up to 40 hours. 40 hours. That's including the charging case. It is IP7 waterproof, so it is not easily damaged by moisture. It has touch control. Let me just dive right into it. So first of all, remove it just like that. Fits perfectly inside of my ear. Wow. The noise cancelling is amazing. I love the way it sits comfortably in my ear, and I'm going to test the audio quality now. So I'm going to settings, Bluetooth, and it's connected. And let me just play one of my favorite songs to see the quality. Wow. Wow. Audio quality is amazing. The bass sounds so good. Poverty at the worst can. The one at the bass, nice.